Well, it's Iboost day again. I've not seen any of these for a while because the sun in the UK has disappeared now until next year pretty much, so don't see many of these things. But yeah, this one apparently was working and then the display went dead on it and now it doesn't work, so open her up, see what it is. Probably a bridge rectifier. Let's get it sorted. Right, opened up. Yeah, looks like bridge rectifier to me, but we'll get it tested and see what's going on. Yeah, bridge rectifier. The fact it's like melted the solder gives it away slightly. It's a bridge rectifier removed from the board. That's the new ones in the world's largest box. So he's got to get this fit. Right, that's all checked. Everything's all checking out. Anything that I need to do is change this fuse. That's the only thing that needs doing now. And then we should test it and it should be done. Right, new fuse, ready to put on. There we go, fuse fitted, so we can test it. There we go. We are on and working. So just gonna put it back in the case now and that's done. I should put plenty of thermal compound on. Manufacturer never puts hardly anything on, hence why it probably overheats. There we go, back together. Ready to send back to the customer. It's another successful repair. If you've got one of these and need it fixing, just drop us a message and get it sent in.